Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the Cart Reminder widget so you can personalize your store's browsing experience and reduce cart abandonment in just a few minutes. Sounds good, right? This widget ensures customers are reminded of the items in their cart, creating urgency and encouraging them to complete their purchase. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Cart Reminder widget, click on Debutify Widgets, select the Cart Reminder. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Cart Reminder. Here, you can customize all settings, such as heading, internal name for the widget. Avoid changing this to prevent display issues. Show on. Decide where the cart reminder will be displayed. Desktop appears only when customers browse on a desktop or laptop. Mobile appears only on mobile devices. Both displays across all devices. Display time. Set how long, in seconds, the cart reminder should stay visible. Interval time. Set the time, in seconds, before the reminder appears again. Position. Choose where the cart reminder will be displayed on your store. You can place it in 6 different positions. Top left. Appears at the top left corner, ideal for a subtle reminder. Top center. Displays at the top center, catching attention right away. Top right. Placed at the top right corner, often used for notifications. Bottom left. Sits at the bottom left corner, noticeable but not intrusive. Bottom center. Positioned at the bottom center, a balanced option for visibility. Bottom right. A common choice, highly visible yet less disruptive. Pick the spot that works best with your layout. Close icon. Add your preferred icon for closing the cart reminder. A small detail, but it makes a difference. Text. Customize your message. Example, product title. Don't miss out this product. Checkout button text. Customize the label for your checkout button to align with your store's branding. Color schemes. Match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. And that's it. Your cart reminder widget is now set up. By customizing it, you'll keep shoppers engaged, reduce cart abandonment, and boost your checkout conversion without disrupting their browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify theme.